A run capacitor that reads slightly below specification still deserves replacement because even small capacitance loss reduces motor efficiency and shortens compressor and fan life. A run capacitor provides the phase shift and reactive current a single-phase motor needs to produce steady torque. So when capacitance drops by more than about 5%, the motor draws more current, runs hotter and vibrates more, and that accelerates insulation breakdown and bearing wear. Test capacitors with a capacitance meter at the terminals after isolating power, and always discharge the component safely first by shorting the terminals with an insulated tool or using a proper discharge resistor to avoid shock. If you cannot match the exact microfarad rating, find a replacement with the same or higher voltage rating and the same or slightly higher capacitance. Never select a lower capacitance, because that increases current draw and risk of failure. Use capacitors rated for motor duty or specifically labeled run duty, since those have low equivalent series resistance and are built to handle continuous AC stress. Mount the new capacitor securely and wire it to the same terminals using proper ring or spade connectors and torque fasteners to manufacturer recommendations to avoid poor connections which cause heating. After installation, recheck operating current, run temperature, and listen for abnormal vibration to confirm the unit now runs within normal limits. Common mistakes include replacing a capacitor with one that has a lower capacitance, which leaves the motor still overcurrent and at risk. So always choose equal or higher capacitance and equal or higher voltage rating. Another frequent issue is failing to discharge the old capacitor before handling, which risks a dangerous shock. So always discharge through an appropriate resistor or use insulated tools as described. A third mistake is using a non-motor duty capacitor or a unit with inadequate temperature or ripple current ratings, which can fail rapidly. So select a part specified for continuous AC motor use and install it in a location that allows airflow and avoids heat sources. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors for projects like capacitor replacement and broader system upgrades. And we also help contractors find work and list services to reach homeowners. We host an active discussion community where we and our members share troubleshooting tips, installer experiences, and vendor recommendations to help you make confident repair choices.